Okay, today I got this one. Let's open the package. It's a TP620. It's a TPMS tire pressure monitoring system, and I think this is some of them is almost similar like this, but this packaging is rounded. So this is the external sensor with the sticker on the green sticker here. So it's not the internal sensor. So they give you the warning, high pressure warning, low pressure warning, if the fast leaking warning, slow leaking warning, and high temperature warning. And this is look like. So with the color LCD display and mobile charger socket, meaning say there's a USB port here. Okay, and also here the DIY installation, LCD, color display, wireless transmission, sound warning, real-time monitoring, and long-time battery life, and RPSI comfortable unit. Okay, let's open. Okay, so you say TPMS CIG plug TPMS user manual guide. So there's a ABCD. Yeah. So it's this way. Oh, with the color printing. Okay, instruction and everything. Okay, there's a lot of information you can read here. I just do a quick open and what it should look like inside. Okay, right. Something is here. First of all, I think the unit is just like a cigarette lighter. The box is quite light, almost is less than 200 grams. Okay, it's just like this. It's a piano black color. Quality pass also. 2 buttons here. And USB charger is here. I think there's a date manufacturer, but it doesn't indicate. Okay. Okay, I think there's a sticker. Need to peel off here a bit later. Yeah, also including this bracket. 4 of them each. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 5 of them, maybe one extra. And there's a one like silicone ring extra. Okay, I think this is the tools to open this one. Okay, just look like this. Okay, how to open. I think it's just basically like that, and the other part is oh, this one need to just open. Okay, then use this one. So I think just open like this. Yep. Then this one should be sticking to here. Yeah, so it's just like a gear until snap to the just like that. So I think can open like still cannot open. Okay. Okay, it's a battery button. It's already included. So this is how the TPMS external look like. There's a battery included already. So this is the cap. So this is B. This is nearby the driver for us. And put it back, screw it back. Must use the tools to do. This one is a bit difficult. So when the battery is finished or flat, this is how to change. It's not really easy because this is need patience because it doesn't really fit in properly. Okay. Okay, once it's tight, so we good to go, and then this is the cap. This is just a cap. Place back, and that's it. So this is front, rear, AB, front left, front right. Rear left, rear right. Okay. Let's try this how to install. I think the installation is quite simple. It doesn't take so much effort to do. And just tighten the screw back, then good to go. Very interesting product. Okay, this one is I already installed this one and do a quick run just now on my car. It's 20 km per hour, then you can detect everything. Very good and plug and play. So this is my existing one, showing the voltage of the meters of the battery, 12 volt, and below is the 32 is the temperature of the cabin, and on the right is just the the TPMS sensor external. So I do a quick comparison for my Hyundai IONIQ, my car, and this one, each of the tire already detected on the 36 each of them. The good thing is that there's an indicator of the temperature each of the tire. So 26 Celsius, 25 Celsius, 28 Celsius, and 25 Celsius. And the battery, you can see, is now 14.1, 14.2 here, and here is 14.1. So it's quite a little bit significant different, but I think that's okay. Here there's no cabin temperature sensor, but let's try to compare to my car. Now is using a PSI. My car here is okay, this one is showing about 37 each. So there's a 1 bar difference. So this is PSI also, but below there's an indicator about 26 degrees Celsius. This is not the tire temperature, it's the outside temperature. So if I change this to bar, so the bar is showing about 25 each, except on the rear right is 26. So here actually is running 36, all 36. Sorry, this one is a PSI. Change to bar. Okay, this one is bar. So as you can see now, the bar is hang on. This camera is a bit have a focus problem. So 25 each. So this one is only, below is 26 from 25. But here is all 26. Okay, this one is showing all the 25. So I think it's quite accurate. Not so much difference, only 1 or 2 numbers I think should be able to tolerate, especially on the voltage as well. So let's change this to PSI. And also change this to PSI. PSI here is showing 37 now. It's increased 2 bar. So here still, this one also increased 1 bar. So all now become a 36. Okay. So anyway, I think the temperature of the tire also increased a bit. Become 26, 25, 28, and 35. Okay, let's after this I will show you how to install this. Thank you. Same thing with this also.
Okay, the bad thing about this, when you do this, it must be a bit difficult to turn if you on the below, and when you're doing this, the air will be losing out, and you don't know what actually the pressure is of the tire, because you cannot adjust. When you want to adjust, you need to open up again the screw wrench, and also this one. When you open this one, you're losing air a bit, so that will be causing a bit on the pressure sensor, the numbers.
TPMS is installed for the other car, Vios, and today I just got this also, the cigarette pot lighter, come with the voltage indicator, voltage meter. It's almost a bit different from here. This is 12 showing about 12.2, now increasing 12.3, and this one is 12.0. And because I connected this to dashcam Xiaomi, and front and rear, and come with a 3 port of USB for this one. So this one is a bit unique because I choose, the reason is there's a 45-degree angle. They have a model also from here straight down, but I choose this one 45-degree because we also have a cigarette lighter on attached to the globe center console, 45-degree angle. So yeah, so this is perfectly fit for Vios. And I put the blue tag. Okay, this is something, it's a bit loosen a bit also, because maybe too many years. And this blue tag is to help to prevent wobbly when, so it's very firm. Before that it's very wobbly, and then it's not convenient. Quite happy on this cigarette lighter. It have a 3 USB port. This one I will use this one to connect back as the second USB. This one is a bit longer. This one is only micro USB, but this one including the iPhone connector, and this is the micro USB. Okay, so how it looks is just like that. Two port on the front, 1 port on the top. Yeah, that should be like that. So the TPMS is showing about 33 for the front for the Vios as a recommendation, 230 psi both front tire. 230 psi means, sorry, 230 kPa for Pascal, but converted to psi will become 33 both. So for the rear, the recommendation is 30 psi, meaning is in kPa is 210. So every car usually there's a indicator for the tire loading information nearby the door. So this must be followed according to the standard of the manufacturer. This is the best recommendation. Some of the car usually they showing about mostly it's a Pascal, kilopascal. So if just PA will be 230,000. Yeah, so this is kilo, so it's only showing about 230 for the front. For the rear is 210. So 230 is converted to psi is about 33, and for the rear is PSI is about 30. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.